Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. So today we're going to learn a new chapter, which is chapter 5. It's the chapter 5 is algebraic expressions. So what we're going to learn in chapter 5 is here we can see here learning standards. The learning standard is to use letters to represent quantities which are non-values, and hence state whether the value of the variables varies or fixed with justifications. Okay, meaning that let's look at page 106 in a textbook. So variables in this chapter, it is important you for you to know what is variables. Variables is anything value that you don't know, anything that you don't know the value. Okay. Okay, let's read together this situation here. There are three people here. As you can see, Mr. Lim, Encik Azlan, and Madam Kavita. Okay, here Mr. Lim told the other two persons, I donate 50 ringgit to Yayasan Kebajikan Negara every month. And then for Encik Azlan, every month I donate the same amount of money to Yayasan Kebajikan. And then Madam Kavita said, the amount I donate to YKN every month depends on the profit earned from the shop. So between these three, Mr. Lim said he donated 50 ringgit. And Cik Azlan, he did not mention the value. Okay, he did not mention how much, what amount he donate. He just said same amount every month. And then for Madam Kavita, she said she also did not mention the amount, how many ringgits, okay, how many ringgits that she donate. So between these three, Mr. Lim mentioned the value, which is 50 ringgit, so there is no need to use a variable. But for these two person, Encik Azlan and Madam Kavita, we need to use a variable to represent the value. Okay, so let's see here. So anything that unknown yang kita tidak tahu, we use a variable, okay, to represent. Let's say this one, let's hear the statement here. Every month Encik Azlan donates RMX. Okay, we don't know, so we use a variable X. Variables meaning variables is letter. Okay, variables ni adalah huruf. Kita gunakan huruf. So kita tidak tahu berapa yang dia derma, Encik Azlan dia derma, kita gunakan RMX. And Madam Kavita, we also don't know how much she donate, so we use a variable RMY. So you get the idea. Whenever we don't know the value, we use letters. We use variables. Okay. So anything that we don't know the value, we use a letter to represent the situation, the quantity. Okay. So between these two, we need to decide which one is fixed value, which one is a varied value. Okay. There are two terms here you need to know. Which one is which one is fixed value and which one is varied value. Okay, number one, fixed value. Fixed means tetap, tidak berubah, sama. But varied is berubah, change from time to time. So between Encik Azlan and Madam Kavita, which one is fixed value? Okay, based on this conversation here, perbualan di atas, Encik Azlan said he donate same amount of the month. Maksudnya setiap bulan dia akan derma jumlah yang sama. So for Encik Azlan, it has a fixed value. But Madam Kavita, dia depends pada profit. Dia bergantung pada keuntungan. So, untuk Puan Kavita, dia adalah varied value. Okay, sebab dia depends, dia berubah, changing. But for Encik Azlan, it's the same amount, so this is fixed value. Okay? Okay, let's look at example 1. So this is what you're going to do later. Okay, for example 1, we need to represent each of the following variables with an appropriate letter. Okay, and then we determine whether it a fixed or varied value. Okay, so kita tengok yang pertama. Kita kena, dalam contoh satu ni, kita kena bagi dia huruf yang berkaitan. Okay, dan kemudian kita bagi reason, kita tentukan sama ada dia fixed value ataupun varied value. Okay, for situation 1, okay, situation 1 here, the annual interest rate for fixed deposit offered by a bank. So, kita tidak tahu berapa annual interest. We don't know. So, we represent it with a letter K. K lah. Actually, dia terserah pada kamu. It depends on you what letter that you want to use. Terserah pada kamu apa huruf yang kamu guna, tapi biasanya ada kaitan lah. Okay, K ni apa? So kita bagi tahu lah, kita mau represent dia K. K itu represent, mesti ada perkataan ni. K represent, ambil semua yang di sini. Okay, and then kita decide lagi. Adakah ada fixed value? Ada perkataan fixed di situ kan? So it is a fixed value. So K has a fixed value. Kena bagi tahu lagi. Kenapa? Because the interest does not change. Itu saja. Biasanya dia fixed sebab dia does not change. Easy one. Okay, next, the second situation here is, change it to yellow color, blue color. Sorry. Okay. So here B, the travelling time taken by Faizal. Here I'm reading this one. The travelling time taken by Faizal from his house to the school every day. Okay, masa yang diambil oleh Faizal untuk bergerak dari rumah ke sekolah setiap hari. So, kita pilih dulu satu huruf. Huruf apa yang sesuai? Okay, since this is about time, so cikgu akan pilih letter T. Okay, letter T. Okay, so what is T? Kita buatlah ayat ni. T represent, ambil saja ayat that represent the travelling time taken. Okay, itu satu. And then the next one, decide. Is it the time taken ni fixed value or varied value? Adakah kalau kita pergi sekolah ni, masa kita pergi tu dia fix, tetap? Okay, tapi so the answer is T is a varied value because change every day. Kan dia pergi every day, kita jawab je. Kalau dia fix because does not change, tapi kalau dia varied value because of change, because it change. Okay, kenapa pergi sekolah ni waktu dia varied value? Sebab mungkin kadang-kadang kita jam, kadang-kadang ada kita lambat keluar rumah. So itu maksud dia, dia varied value. Okay, so kerja rumah, what is your homework for today is, let's do this self-practice 5.1a, question 1. A, B, C, D. Okay. Cara jawab dia sama. Okay, kita tulis satu. The mass of each student in your class. Okay. Apa kita mau represent? Kita tidak tahu mass tu berat kan. Apa berat setiap berat kawan-kawan kita ni. Kita tidak tahu. So, kita represent dengan huruf apa. Terserahlah kamu huruf M ke K ke whatever yang related. Biasanya related. Okay. And then, kamu decide. Is it the mass of each student ni, berat setiap pelajar ni, dia fix ke atau dia varied? Dia tidak berubah ke? Dia does not change ke atau change? Okay, so kalau ada apa-apa soalan yang tidak faham, boleh tanya cikgu. Okay, personal WhatsApp. Thank you very much. See you next video.